This video shows how to create a lubricants order, goods receipt and incoming invoice posting. Type ME21N and press enter. Click the button to open the drop-down list. Select ZLUB lubricants order. Now fill the company code, purchase group and purchase organization. Enter the vendor details and press enter. Now go to Materials field. Enter the following details and press enter. Repeat for all the materials. Click Save. Click Save. Lubricants order for 1,500,002,131 has been created. Once you receive the material, go to MIGO for goods received. Type /NIGO and press enter. Enter the purchase order number and press enter. Enter the storage location 0001 and press enter. Tick item OK check box. Repeat for all line items. Click Post. Now, we will post the incoming invoice. Type /NMIRO and press enter. Now we have to enter the invoice date. Click Add for. Select invoice date. Now enter the purchase order number and press enter. Tick all the check boxes. Now go to Tax drop-down and select the correct tax code as given in the PO. I have selected C2 as given in the purchase order. Go back to Basic Data. Now enter the baseline date. Baseline date is the date from which the terms of payment apply. Tick the Calculate Tax check box. Copy this amount. Paste the amount here. Click Simulate. Click Post. Now, to see the complete document flow, go to ME23N. Click Purchase Order History. You can see the GR number and the invoice number with their respective amount. Click the button to check the second material.